Welcome to the project demonstration of password based circuit breaker using IoT. So here we are implementing the project using Raspberry Pi Zero W, so which has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So the main application of this project is to control this circuit breaker. So we are representing a triac and a bulb as a circuit breakers. So we are using BT136 triac and the diac is MOC3021. So this diac is used to control the triac, and triac will on and off this bulb. So this whole section will representing as a circuit breaker, and this will be controlled from anywhere in the world using remote.it web server, so which is open source, and there can be access from the Raspberry Pi Zero W, so without given credentials. So already we have inbuilt Python program written in this Raspberry Pi memory card. So we are using 16 GB memory card. So whenever the getting input from the remote IT server, so the Pi Zero will control the bulb along with LED indication also. So after switching on this switch, the light will on and off 2 times. After that blinking only, we should log into the remote IT server. So here we need to provide the 2 power sources to power supply sections. One is for the circuit breaker, another is for the Raspberry Pi. So before switching on this switch, we need to do some initial steps. It's like we need to enable the hotspot in your phone, Android phone. So just go to the settings and in hotspot section, there enter the SSID of project 4447. So all are small letters, no capital and no space. PROJECT 4447, all are small, and the password should be 129. And after this setting, enable the hotspot, enable the data, and then switch on this switch. Okay, so now I have already enabled the hotspot in my phone, so from which I am taking the video. Enable the hotspot and internet now, and then just give the power supply, and then switch on the power supply to the main Raspberry Pi. So there will be a light indication on the Raspberry Pi Zero W, and the light is on. So when it is on and off 2 times, then only we should log into the remote IT. Means till that time the Raspberry Pi Zero will start booting and it will executing the instructions of the project coding. So here coming to the connections, meanwhile, so right, it's on and off, and the connections are coming to 4th pin of BCM GPIO to the diac, and 3rd pin is for the LED. So done. So it will 2 times on and off, and then there are the connections. So these 2 are the ground and trigger pin. Here also ground and trigger pin. So with the triac is operated at the AC trigger voltage, so that's why instead of directly controlling the triac, we are going to use the MOC3021. We can use MOC3011 also, both are same operated. And so this particular diac, optically isolated diac, will trigger the triac, and the triac will trigger the bulb. So the main application of this triac instead of relay is, so it's fast switching and noise free and high security. Okay, so now I'm going to log in to the remote IT. So in order to log into the remote IT, just go to Google, type remote IT and enter here. So from your given credentials, just sign in. So this can be accessed from your phone also. As of now I am demonstrating from the laptop, but we can access from the phone, any phone, just and from anywhere in the world also. So now this Raspberry Pi Zero connected to my project hotspot, and my laptop is connected to HVS technologies, right? And then so this is a section, just click on this IoT circuit breaker. You can see the control section and click on the control section. The green light, the green tick mark indicating as the Raspberry Pi Zero W is online. So now this page will open. So if you open this in phone, so it will be same size of your phone screen only. So now I'm entering, I'm clicking on the green bulb. The bulb got switched on, and red, it will be off. So let us see again. Green light on, red off. So we can observe the same operation on this LED also. So I'm switching on that. and so we can see this. So just I am unplugging the bulb power supply. Right, I'm unplugged that. Just for demonstration I am showing off, on, off. Okay, so in this manner this can be accessed from anywhere in the world by using the remote IT platform. Right. Okay, thank you.